This is Abenteuer in Allrad, the largest off-road trade fair for RVs in the world, and open to the public. It's the middle of June. You can come to Bad Kissingen and have a really good time. This year it's roasting hot. This is a off-road mini caravan from Maturi in Poland. And so what we got here is, with this mini caravan, is the obviously looking at 4x4, so it's the suspension systems which are important. I'm going to just have a walk around whilst I am talking, and so I'll come down to this one to start off with. Obviously this isn't a caravan as such, but it could be, and this is aimed to carry 3 of these motocross vehicles. Of course, could carry be set up to park and then make a caravan out of it, so it depends on the setup which the customer actually chooses. Something like this, it has, with this suspension, it can carry currently 750 kilos of payload. Brake is to 1250. The suspension is either their own production, or it's Alco, or it's a mixture of the two. And okay, so also something like this, obviously it's quite basic, one of these off-road camper vans, but you can actually set up an outdoor shower thing like this. Now if you've got something like this, for example, then a fridge could be put in there, or anything else. A tent can go on the roof, and etc. Now with these ones, because the braking system is not quite, it doesn't take quite the weight, so the wheels are a bit smaller, but here we've got a rather clever kitchen unit which comes in and out. So you push this up like this, goes up like that, and fits into there. And show you one that was done earlier. There you go, something like this. Now in this compartment can be either sort of this type of a shape or slightly larger, and in there you can keep, for example, you can get batteries for the internal lighting, you use it as storage, or indeed a fridge can be fitted, as you can see here. Can come with awning. Here we've got a tent on the roof, as well as one of these 270 degree type awnings, which are all the rage now. And first time I saw one was only 2 years ago, and now everybody's got one. Or you can have a more simple awning, as you can see up here. Let's have a look inside. I'll use this one as an example. So it can come with heating, so you can put a Webasto system in if you want, and they have either on shore power, which this one is on at the moment, or indeed via an inverter can be attached to the battery. Storage solutions such as these systems, which are manufactured by Keeper amongst others, and a motorhome style roof light up there. Of course, if the tent's up there, then you won't be seeing much out of the motorhome. Let's have a look in here as well, because this one has got some cabinetry inside, and you can see it there. This one's got a door either side, and it's got a lock like there is in my camper van, or motorhome I should say. So that gives you an idea of what you can get from here, and so if you find that of interest, then there's lots more stuff of this nature on my website. So thanks for watching, and all the best from Bad Kissingen.